Alright, boys and girls, Friday, December the 9th, 2022, light misty rain. Maybe it'll be drier than it was yesterday. You see my weapon of choice there. We're going up in here and we're going to try this place. Yeah, there'll be some people laugh about my little Mountain Dew cap there. Let them laugh. It works, boys. That scope's close to that barrel on that gun. 50mm lens. Oh, you might see that old fox squirrel down in there. I done busted him. Oh, headshot. He went away from me. I showed him close to me in that camera, but he went away from me, went up in a tree and started eating. Well, I've been hunting about 5 minutes. That's not bad. He got that old head busted. Get on up in here. It's 11:41 Central Standard Time. We're getting it, ain't she? I believe that's a her. Look at her. This might be the hem after her. Let's see what this is right here, boys. What is that? He's after her, ain't he? He got him a doe and he's after her, boys. Hot pursuit. Look at him. And I'm sitting here right against this fence line. He ain't paying me no mind. I could blow him up with a deer rifle. Well, I've been trying to find a long range shot in here for you boys and girls to give you a little demo of this rifle here, but I don't see no squirrels. Just a doe and a little old spag after that doe. That's it. I've even put the binoculars up in there, but I could walk up here closer and find one. These squirrels, when it's misty rain like this, they like to sit and eat. They don't move around and hop around as much generally. So they could be up there and I just can't see them because they're not moving. I ain't been sitting here about 15 minutes. I've got company up here. You see that smoke's blowing right to left in that camera there. She's a doe, I believe. She's up there against that fence, right behind these trees right there. Let's see what she does. I know she can't smell me, I don't think. There she is, there. She's about 40 yards from me. I don't know if that's that same doe had that buck behind it or not. It could be, it's possible. Oh, that's that little buck. His doe's done outrun his ass. He's looking for it. Watch them ears. You can't run him off. Now, I heard him grunting earlier real low when he was behind that doe. It wouldn't have probably picked up in this camera, but I could hear him. Alright, we got some action here, bro. In that old beech tree there. Let's see if I can get this camera on that squirrel. Let's see. He gotta move though. He's up there though. believe that's him sitting there. That's him sitting there in the camera. See him there? Right in the center of the camera. I shot that squirrel up there, boys. I don't know if I've killed that squirrel or not. Oh, he's a little bitty rascal. I know that. He might have fell behind a tree, but he moved. He wasn't in the same place he was when I showed him in this camera. When I shot him. I didn't get that squirrel in that beach right there, boys. But now I look back through there with a rifle scope where I shot him, and I seen a little twig. He's still up there because I seen him after I walked down that tree. But I don't know if he went down. There's a hickory behind that, and I think he's got a hole in it. I've got some squirrels barking down here, though. We shot two out of that old snag there. The first squirrel acted funny, but now I had a thin head shot on that squirrel, boys. I couldn't even see his jawbone. I ain't moved. Now that second squirrel I shot, I might not have shot him in the head, okay. I tried to get close to that head, but he, right in the middle of his head was a limb on that second squirrel. Snag there. I bet I'm close to that head, but it might be up in his body just a little bit. I told you it was a thin shot. You see that? Skip top of his head, boys. I had to step on his head, but that's where he got hit. I skipped top of his head. That one there's his shot. You see him there. He got that old brain busted. Boys, we've shot another gray squirrel down here, and he's flopped a mile off his head. I better go down here anyway. To the right, actually, but this be alright. I couldn't get him in the camera. He run up a tree. He behind this old tree top here. I finally found this squirrel. Get that old head busted. Look, I shot his eyeball. Right, boys, today's squirrel roundup is 1 fox squirrel, 3 gray squirrels, all head busted. I didn't see a lot of squirrels. Awfully tranquil out. I think we're supposed to get more rain tomorrow. I've got some sinus right now, though. My ears are sort of plugged up. It's hard for me to locate a squirrel when it's barking. It's also hard for me to tell how quiet I'm walking.